Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Let's Talk Cars, and we're actually going to be talking about cars today. I just picked up this 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth, and I've been wanting to get this car for such a long time. Just it's such a fun little car, you know, and how can you go wrong with a manual? That's my seatbelt warning. Okay, relax, bro. I got it. Okay. Alright, here is our little test track. So, let's give it a go. We're on sport. Oh, let's see what happens with sport. Let me show you. Look what happens when you hit sport. So, when you hit sport, it's right here. Look at how it changes the screen. The sport button goes on with the turbo pressure gauge, and the numbers becomes italic. Cool. That's a cool quirk. Okay, well, let's launch her. It's a little bit different launching a stick shift, but give it a go. I forgot there's speed bumps here. But she does have some pep on her. Let's see if we can go around these things like a go-kart. She's pretty nimble. Speed bumps. They don't want you speeding in a parking lot, guys. Come on, look at the speed limit. It's 5. This car has a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 160 horsepower. This thing doesn't really do too well on gas for such a small vehicle, but you have to understand, this is a turbocharged engine, right? So it's a turbocharged 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, and they can be had for really cheap. I mean, I got this for a super steal at 2015. I will tell you, it's cheap. Like, it's one of those cars that you buy that after you buy it, you don't have that buyer's remorse, because I'm like, it wasn't that expensive, plus I really wanted this car, so we got it. So let's do a quick walk around. So as you can see, there's the front, and it has like the blacked out, you can see some of the other Fiat 500s or the Abarth. They have the silver. This one has the black inside for the lights. I mean, there's a couple of things that I still need to work on in this car. As you know, it's a 2015. It's not going to be perfect, but hey. And it's so cool how they show you all the Abarth logos everywhere in the car. Yeah. Really awesome. Okay, we're getting to the rear, and the cool thing with this car, like, it's got a cool diffuser in the bottom. That's pretty awesome. So you won't see any Fiat badging in this car. The only thing you're gonna see would be the 500 and of course the Abarth. Pretty roomy in the back. I mean, yeah, some of the plans I want to do with this car, I want to modify it for a track, so I can use it also for track use. And we have a split 50-50 rear seats that doesn't really fit adults not much, unless they're like small like me. Aside from that, some people will just push this down and use this as like a little storage, right? Because it'll just lay down. So that's the rear seat. More of the badging all over the car. Oh, this also has a 17-inch rims on it, 17-inch wheels, and the Abarth actually has more upgraded brakes and suspension compared to your regular Fiat 500s. And I got lucky enough with this car. I got lucky enough with this car. The spec that I wanted was, if you look at, let me show other pictures of standard Abarth. Some of this spec is to me the best because you have the upgraded leather seats. Okay, leather also on the back, and this is a two-tone. It's a red, it's a Rosso and Nero combo, and not only that, you also get that on the door panel. Pretty cool, right? And again, it's a 5-speed manual, which I like. And look at the stereo system, bringing me back to the 2015s. But we're changing that. You know me. The mods is gonna start soon. I'm really happy about it. Let's check out the engine. Boom. So this car, as you can see, the turbo is right over here. And there's your 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. We'll be doing some mods on this, but it's pretty clean, and it shouldn't be too hard to work on these cars. Oh man, I mean, I worked on Porsches, Lamborghinis, so yeah, this is gonna be a good, fun car. So that is my new Fiat 500 Abarth, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. There's gonna be more stuff on this car. Oh, and I think the mileage, I think I just said that right. It's like 28 highway, no, 28 city, like 34 highway. But I'm not gonna worry about gas. This is just my fun car. What do you guys think of my 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth, guys? I like it, man. I like it. And we're gonna convert this to the track car. Do both. I want this car to do, like, city driving and be able to take it to the track on weekends. So, all right, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching Let's Talk Cars. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. And I will talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.
Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or